everyone, in this video we will see what actually happened to Tata Motors stock yesterday. What is a demerger? Why did the stock fall 40%? Why did Tata Motors got split? And at last we see conclusion what investors should understand. What actually happened to Tata Motors stock? On October 14, 2025, Tata Motors share price suddenly fell by around 40% in one day. People panicked, but here is the truth. Tata Motors didn't lose value, it got divided into two parts. That's called a demerger. What is a demerger? Think of Tata Motors like a combination of two parts, which includes one part as passenger vehicles plus Jaguar Land Rover, and second part as commercial vehicles like trucks, buses. Till now, both came together in one stock, that is Tata Motors. But now, Tata decided to serve them separately, one part for cars and one for trucks. So, the company got splitted into two parts, cars and trucks. Then, why did the stock fall 40%? Because earlier the stock price included both businesses, but now it only represents the car business. The truck business will come as separate share in future. So the 40% drop is not a loss, it's just a technical adjustment between two businesses. Why did Tata Motors got split? The idea is simple. Focus. Passenger and electric vehicle cars compete globally. Build electric cars. Grow Jaguar Land Rover brand. And commercial vehicles focus on trucks, buses, infrastructure. Each business has different challenges and investors. Now, both can make faster decisions and raise money separately. So, Tata Motors didn't crash. This is not a fall or loss for investors. It is transforming. It is a rebuild for the next decade. So, what should investors understand? The fall is temporary and technical. The business is splitting, not sinking. IoT and EV technologies are core to Tata's future. It is just short-term volatility, not long-term problem. Watch for listing of the new commercial vehicle company soon. Total investment value will be visible then. So these are the key takeaways from this video. If you thought Tata Motors got crashed, then share this video with your friends and family because it's time for people to know the truth.